Hello, Cruising World. Mick The Suit Guy with you. It's Monday, and Monday, as you know, if you've been here around, it's Tips Day, and Tips Day is a very special one today. I'm hoping to get Portman to come in. She's going to, because she's been very restless this morning. I'm going to show you how she devours her favourite new treat. Yeah, she's going to destroy it. So let's hope she comes in. Anyway, it's a very special announcement this week because I finally have tips from my nemesis Dave. So let's see if he got his punctuation right. Let's see if he how many mistakes he made, shall we say. We're going to start calling Portman. Everybody wants to see you. I've got your treat. Hopefully she comes in. Anyways, all right. Dave, cruise tip. I was watching your video tips number 204. You think I remember what was on each one, Dave? And couldn't agree more with your evaluation of the food options between Celebrity and Carnival. Carnival main dining room is mediocre at best. I think we can all agree on that. Celebrity specialties are Carnival specialty restaurants are good. Celebrity MDR is pretty good. The big difference is in the buffet. Oh, preaching to the choir, preaching to the choir. Celebrity hits one out the park with food quality and options. Don't forget about Aqua Class on Celebrity has blue. Don't forget about Aqua Class on Celebrity has blue. See, I'm going to pick on you. You know I'm going to pick on you. Don't forget that Aqua Class on Celebrity has blue, which is a healthier alternative to the main dining room, but everything on the main dining room menu is also available as a choice. One thing that Dave is forgetting to add in there is that to get in Aqua Class, you have to buy an Aqua and above cabin, which is not cheap. You'll find that out. So yes, I'm sure it is. We are about to go on Celebrity Beyond in a couple of weeks. Actually, when this video comes out, we'll be a week out. And I'm hoping to try blue on that one because we got ourselves a suite. One little tip on Celebrity on the side there is if you get in there quick enough when they announce their cruises, they have guaranteed interiors, ocean views, balconies and suites that are very reasonable price. Just suggesting that. So we got a guaranteed suite, ended up being a Magic Carpet Sky suite, which is the cheapest suite they have, but it's a suite and for a very reasonable price. According to me, anyway. He said there is a specialty restaurant for suite cabins of which I have not been to yet. Then maybe I'm going to get that one. And I'll be able to tell you what that one's all about. So yes, blue is for rich people, basically. I'm getting concerned. Portman! I have your treat. She's been bothering me all morning. I was doing some filming earlier. I had the door closed. And she's standing outside, non-stop meowing. All right, so yes. That whole thing, can't agree with you more. If you go on a Celebrity cruise, you'll eat in the buffet most nights. It was better than the main dining room, in my opinion. They had oh my God, it was so good. Make your own Caesar salad, pasta, noodle. Oh, every night. I could have eaten there every night. Like a specialty restaurant. Oh, but there's more tips from Dave. There's more. Cruise tip. Bring Tupperware bowls with you for dessert you might want later. Keep in mind the size of the refrigerator. I'm going to add one thing to this. Especially I've noticed this on Carnival. They have stopped allowing you to take food away from the main dining room, which is utterly ridiculous because you can take it away from a specialty restaurant. You can take it away from the buffet. They don't stop you there, but they stop you in the main dining room. If somebody can explain this to me, I would love to hear your explanation. It's kind of like COVID. Not getting political, but this always made me laugh. You could go to a restaurant and you wore your masks in when they opened, right? This is before COVID's officially over. So you go in, you go to your table, and now you can take your mask off to eat. But if you want to get up and go to the bathroom, you got to put it back on again. Because apparently, COVID's over there, but it's not here. Isn't that the same principle as this? If you're going to allow people to take food away from some restaurants and not others, where is the explanation in that? And every time I've asked, they've said, that's just our rule. Because they don't have an answer. So bring a Tupperware with you by all means. But don't be surprised if they stop you taking food out the main dining room. I don't understand it. I don't. We used to do that. They used to have this amazing dessert on Carnival called the s'mores parfait. Oh, how I miss the s'mores parfait. We would take 2 or 3 of them away and put them in our fridge. We'd have them for breakfast the next morning. They were so good. And then they stopped making them. Now I just do my cheese plate. Last one from Dave. Do not forget... Oh, I think it's tagged on to the last one. Also, do not forget a fork or spoon, and do not forget that the little refrigerator does not always get or stay very cold. Why is that on another line? He sent me these on Messenger, so that must have been a reminder. That must have been a third message. Because I just copy-pasted the whole thing, because I don't read them. I don't read these before I do it. So that's that. All right, yeah. I mean, it's a great tip if they let you do it. Well, Dave, I only had one real thing to pick on you, and Portman has not come back. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go get her. I'm going to come back, and we're going to feed her this treat right here, and you're going to see what she does. She goes crazy. And bear in mind, she is 17 years old. Get ready. Portman's coming. All right, everybody. Here she is. You can see it's not even open yet. Look at her. No, you can't get into it yet, can you? No. She devours this. Watch. All right, come on, calm down. Calm down. It's coming. Calm down. I know, it's coming. So we squeeze it out, little bit by bit. There you go. She just, like she eats the wrapping. Have you ever seen anything quite like it? Come on. She don't even give it time to squeeze it out. Yeah. So all those of you, if you want to send Portman a gift, get her some of these. She absolutely loves them. I think this one was tuna. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's more. Look, let's do one last squeeze. One last. Yeah, all right, calm down. Calm down. She don't even give you time. Look at this. Look, we're going to do a frontal. Look. I got some on my hand, look. You want some? There you go. Don't waste any. Don't go wasting any. I mean, she literally bit my hand the other day trying to get it off. Because there she goes, biting again. Don't waste any. You don't want to waste any. We've got one more squeeze maybe. One more squeeze. Let's see. Is there any more in there? Oh, we go. I've never seen anything like it. Yeah, there you go. Don't waste any. Finish it off. So if you want to subscribe, by the way, subscribe. Hit that little bell. You get notification. I try and get her in here on the tips as much as possible. If you have any questions, email me. My email is coming up. We got one more squeeze? No. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit more. That's right. Ow. Bite me. She bit me. Yeah, that's it. All right. It's empty. There's nothing left, Portman. There's nothing left. It's just a wrapper. I'm telling you. She starts asking for this at like the moment I wake up time. Don't you? All right, yeah. One more. I see one more little bit on my hand there. All right. And with that, oh, thank you, Dave, and thank you, Portman. I guess. Look, it's over. It's done. It's done. All right. I will see you later, Cruising World. Look, it's empty. It's empty. There's nothing in there. Bite it and chew it as much as you... But there's nothing on my hand anymore. It's all gone. Why are you licking it? There's nothing left. There's nothing there. You're looking for morsels? It's gone. Look, it's empty. There's nothing in there. There's nothing on my hand. Get another one tomorrow. I'll see you later, Cruising World. Look, it's gone. It's empty. It's over. Nothing left. Look, sniff away. You won't find any. Keep licking. Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also, you'll see to the left and right of me, there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also, you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.